go build us a bike.
Yep. This is very important. No one greases a seat post in new builds, and you have to. That's how you stop corrosion in your frame.
Gotta stop corrosion?
You have to stop corrosion in the frame. We've had to use Coca-Cola products to try to get frames out of bikes. That's not a joke. A lot of rust happens right here. You watch this video, watch this. All right. And quite frankly, it doesn't matter the grease, because no one does any. So anything's better than nothing. Let's roll. It's really good for the wrist.
We took the bike out of the box. We got Connor pumping himself up. What's the next move?
All right, so all jokes aside, when you build a bike, my recommendation, start from either the back or the front and work in one rhythmic motion. And then when you check the bike, we're gonna go from the opposite start and back. So DeeO and I are gonna start at the rear end. We're gonna start at simple things of like checking the axle, checking the train, etc.
Sounds good, man. Let's get to it.
Oh yeah. Trick on bike, the non-drive side is reverse thread. One common mistake is when you tighten it from the back side, it's not lefty-loosey from back here. That is actually a 5, not a 6. We're fine. We got it right here. From the back, it's actually going to be technically going right. So I like to see from right here, I'm going left into the pedal smooth, which I am, and now I can really send her home. Bang. We'll get this thing tightened up to the torque spec required, which is 25 Newton meters, but for now, let's not tighten it with my broken wrist and get this thing nice and hand tight. Boom. All right, let's roll. Done. My wrist hurts. Worth it.
Got our fresh dirt jumper. Let's go.
Alright. Is this dirt jumper gonna be different?
Yeah, dude, it's gonna be sick. Built up this Marin Alcatraz and threw on the trajector. Let's see what we can do with it.
Yo, let's roll.
Stay clear. Alright, let's see how this bad boy spins, huh?
Whoa, that was...
there it is, guys. We busted this Marin Alcatraz out of the box today. Connor helped me put together. You mostly put it together. I helped you put it together.
Yeah, I gave advice, walked away, and came back 5 minutes later.
And it worked. It worked well enough to throw a massive backflip. So I think that's
the biggest backflip I've seen in a minute.
So that's pretty exciting. I'm gonna keep riding this bad boy. I think we're gonna, change some colors on it, make it exciting. We took off the front brake, and we have this sick dirt jumper now. So Connor, thank you so much for your help with it.
That was a stretch.
And let's see what we can do on this bad boy.
This thing is not going to look like what it looks like ever again. Stay gnarly.
Right on. Heck yeah.
Walk on into the station where imagination flowing deep. Let me tell you about my story. It even shocks me. Hey, we started back at the point with my boys B&T on a mission. What's good? The army was so cool. What a